Hi witches, what's up, babe? This is WhiteRaven over here. Today's Monday, so happy Magic Monday to all of you guys. How are you, witches? How was your day yesterday? It was the United States Independence Day, 4th of July. I truly honor living in this country. I have the freedom to be who I am because I live in this country. So I celebrate and I feel honored to live here in this beautiful United States of America. I hope you had a great time and I hope you got to appreciate the freedom that you have just because you live here. Listen, witches, I gotta tell you this past week, some of you guys have been truly bitches to me. Been thinking a lot about this. It is my whole purpose for you to learn how to do magic. It is my whole purpose with this channel to empower you to be a witch and to take charge of your life. That is not to say, witches, that I'm going to take you by the hand and I'm going to tell you everything that you need to do. In order for you to be a witch, you have to have some type of critical thinking and you have to analyze the things that are happening in your life and what you're doing with the magic that I am presenting here for you. My channel is divided in playlists, witches. And if you go into my channel and you put my playlist, my channel is extremely organized. So you can find the information that you're looking for because it's at the tip of your finger. It has taken me years to build this channel and it has taken me years to know the things that I know. So do not expect for me to tell you how to be a witch in an email. And I have witches over here that truly deserve my attention. If you're here wasting my time, I tell you right now, you can unsubscribe to my channel and look somewhere else. There's a lot of witches out there that are not going to waste their time on you unless you pay them money. Having said that, let's get into the video. Thank you so very much for all your support. I'm wearing my t-shirt today. I know many of you guys have purchased the t-shirt. That makes me so excited. I really like my t-shirts. You guys know I love t-shirts, so I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for purchasing these t-shirts. I want to say thank you to my beautiful friend Gwen from Gwen the Recovering Witch. If you haven't seen her YouTube channel, I'm going to link it in the description of the video. She sent me a beautiful package with jewelry that I love so much. This beautiful ring that you guys have over here. Also this beautiful bracelet, some earrings, necklaces, and so many other beautiful details that I absolutely love. And also, guys, my friend Raven Moonchild sent me thorns from the saguaro cactus. And this is the tallest, biggest cactus that grows in the United States, and it grows only in the Sonora Desert in Arizona. And these things are incredible. Which is, there are as big as my finger almost. They look like nails. I can only imagine, and it's so hard. You better believe that I'm going to come out with a spell for this because I'm super excited to have these thorns. Raven Moonchild, you're awesome. Thank you so very much for this. I already told you I'm going to cherish this for the rest of my life. If you live in Arizona and you want to share with me any folk in regards to the saguaro cactus or any type of magic, or I don't know, maybe something that your grandma taught you, please make sure to share with me. This is so super exciting for me to have this. You have no idea how much I love it. Okay, witches, the spell that I have for you guys today is a spell that has been requested many times. Unfortunately, many of us have this situation in which we are fighting somebody in court and the opposite lawyer is somebody completely corrupted, liar, evil, mean, abusive, completely dishonest. So how are we to fight this person? Witches, take notice. I have a playlist in this channel all in court cases. So I suggest for you, if you're going through a court case, please make sure you see the playlist on court cases because I'm going to give you a lot of very useful information that you can use for your court cases. The spell that we have today is from the amazing Dorothy Morrison and her book Utterly Wicked. I rediscovered her book today and I was looking at it and I had something else for you guys today, but I saw that spell and I said I need to share this because I know many of you guys have been requesting this. And here it is. Hex, the opposite attorney.
Okay, witches, so what are you going to need for this spell? The first thing that you're going to need for this is going to be a black candle. Another thing that you're going to need for this spell is going to be cross oil. I'm going to have this available in my website coming up soon. You're also going to need some cemetery dirt. You are going to need paperwork, your court cases, okay? This is an example that I grabbed from the internet. Okay, this has nothing to do with me, with anybody. This is something that I found on the web. So you're going to need the paperwork from your court case. I know that you're going to tell me that you don't have your paperwork because now everything is on the internet. Listen, you need a copy. You need a tangible paper with the name of the lawyer that you are crossing. It's a must. It's part of the spell. If you don't have any of these things, then this spell, which is not for you. All right, witches, the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to anoint this candle with the crossing oil. Again, I will have this available for you guys in my website soon. Let's light the candle. Now that you have your candle lit, put some oil in your fingers and you're going to grab your cemetery dirt, and with your fingers full of oil, make sure you get some of that there, witches, and you are going to smudge the name of the lawyer. With the cemetery dirt. There is a video on how to color cemetery dirt in my channel. Please make sure that if you're going to use cemetery dirt, you watch that video first. There is a protocol behind cemetery dirt, and if you don't follow it, trust me, it's not going to be pretty. I know what I'm saying. Now, witches, we are going to let this candle burn through. This is very simple, yet is very powerful. You're going to have an extremely powerful oil mix. You are going to have a link, a direct link to this lawyer, and you're going to have your black candle. Now we're going to recite a petition while this candle burns. Someone has to win this case, and someone has to lose. So wipe that glib look off your face, for you shall sing the blues. You're unprepared, you cannot speak with eloquence. Your case is weak. In the court, you look a fool, with all objections overruled. You hem and haw, you stutter much. You worry that you lost your touch. You're confident it is that low. How could it be you're eating crow? Nothing works the way it should. Your witness aren't any good. The judge eyes you with aggravation, until at last, with resignation, you admit your own defeat and give to me the victory sweet. And there you have it, witches. Make sure you let this candle burn through, and then you're going to bury all the remnants in the court premises, and if you, or at least very close to the court premises, but if you can't, you are going to bury this in a crossroad or in the cemetery. Make sure you follow through. If you don't have any ingredients for this spell is not for you. Then again, witches, everything that I share in here with you today is very easy to get. The oil will be in my website coming up soon. I wish you the best in your court endeavors.
And that's it, witches. Please make sure to visit my social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and visit my website, WhiteRaven.com. If you have any questions, and please make sure these are smart questions and not lazy questions, email me at layerofthewitch@yahoo.com, layerofthewitch@yahoo.com. Stay very smart, witch, and be polite and be respectful. above all, you must stay what? Wicked. Very wicked. Bye.